Good morning to everybody. My dear students, here you do work hard and day night and next test for the PUC first year maths on complex number. And here one concept is there. Here keep in your mind, that is x is what, y is what, x in which point, y is in which point. X is a real part, y is a imaginary part is there. This is class 12 Argand plane. Argand plane means what? What is the definition of Argand plane? For z is equal to x plus iy, for z is equal to x plus iy, here x is real part, y is imaginary part. X means on x axis, y means on y axis. Here real part is x, imaginary part is y. Here consider the points. Here some points is there. If you take any points or here any complex number, here these are the complex numbers, here x value, y value, x value, y value, x value, y value, x value, y value is there. Here x comma y, 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 x comma. These complex numbers are converted in the form of points. These complex numbers converted in the form of points. Here 2 comma 4 minus 2 comma 3, 2 plus 4i becomes 2 comma 4, minus 2 plus 3i becomes minus 2, 3. Here 0 plus 1i becomes 0 comma 1, 2 plus 0i becomes 2 comma 0. Here that is minus 5 minus 2i becomes minus 5 comma minus 2, and 1 minus 2i becomes 1 comma minus 2. This is xy, 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 xy. Represent in the plane. That here plot the points. That is plot the points. A is what? 2 comma 4. Here x is 2, y is 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 is there. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 is there. Here a is what? 2 comma 4. Here x is 2, y is 4. Plot the point. B is what? Minus 2 comma 3. Here x is minus 2, y is 3. Here plot the point. C is what? X is 0, y is 1. If x is 0, y value is what? That is 1. This is the plot the point. C is 0 comma. D 2 comma 0, x is 2, y is 0 here. E is what? Minus 5 minus 2. Here x is minus 5, y value is minus 2. Plot the point. F is what? If x is 1, y is minus 2. Plot the point. If plotting the points in represent the plane, that is called Argand plane. The here means what? The complex number x plus iy, which represents, which corresponds to the order pair, can be represented geometrically as the unique point x comma y form is there, only one point in the xy plane. Some complex numbers are such that these are the complex numbers as taken in the form of order pairs, and plot the points as respectively in the a, b, c, d in the form of. Here the plane having a complex number assigned to each of its points is called a complex plane or Argand plane. This is the complex plane or Argand plane. That is, keep in your mind, this is the Argand plane. Once again, if you keep in your mind, here actual meaning is what? Here take some complex numbers and assign y value and plot the points in the plane, that is called Argand plane. Clear, understood? It is called Argand plane. The complex number x plus iy, which corresponds to the order pair, can be represented geometrically as the unique point x comma y in the xy plane. Yes, in the xy plane. Some complex numbers are such as 2 plus 4i, minus 2 plus 3i, 0 plus 1i, 2 plus 0i, minus 5 minus 2i, and 1 minus 2i. Such corresponds to the order pairs form a2 comma 4, b minus 2 comma 3, c0 comma 1, d2 comma 0, e minus 5 comma minus 2, f1 comma minus 2. Here represent geometrically a, b, c, d, e and f respectively. Yes, here plot the points in a plane. Thus the plane having a complex number assigned to each of its points is called the complex plane or the Argand plane. This is the representation of the Argand plane. Next, that is here very important point. Next, that is here quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equations. Do you know that quadra means 2? Quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Be a quadratic equation, be a quadratic equation, quadratic equation, be a quadratic equation. It has degree 2 having 2 roots. That is, here suppose quadratic equation, suppose quadratic equation, suppose quadratic equation factorizable so having the roots, having factors. If suppose non-factorizable form, if there is no factors, non-factorizable form, if there is no factors, then apply formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Suppose quadratic equation, here suppose x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation factorizable. 6 can expect 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. 2 into 3, 2 plus 3, 5. Yes, factorizable. If suppose non-factorizable form, suppose x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 1 is there. This can be expressed 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 2 exists? No. Here this is non-factorizable. This is factorizable, x plus 2, x plus 3 form. X plus 2, x plus 3. This is factorizable form, factorize. This is non-factorizable form. Yes, non-factorizable form, apply that formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that formula. Here that is note square root roots of unity, square roots of unity, that is x square is equal to 1. Square roots of unity, x is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. X value is what? One value positive, one value negative. This is the values, roots. Next, second one, cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. X cube is equal to 1. This can be written s cube minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 can written 1 cube. 1 cube value is what? 1. Here this can be written, we know that the formula a cube minus b cube can express a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. This is the formula. A cube minus b cube formula is what? A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Suppose here plus is there. Suppose a cube plus b cube is there. A plus b, a square plus b square. In this place minus ab. That is here. Here x cube minus 1 cube can written x minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Roots. Here roots are separate, that is x minus 1 is equal to 0, one value, and another x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, one root exists. Degree 2, 2 roots. Degree 3, 3 roots. One root is over. Another one root, find out by using the formula ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is non-factorizable form. Non-factorizable form. Non-factorizable form. Non-factorizable form. Here non-factorizable form. In this place, a value is what? 1. B value is what? 1. C value is what? 1. We know that the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus b square 1 square 4ac divided by 2. All values are 1. Here that is x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 divided by 2. Here x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. I root 3 because do you know that already studied root of minus 3 can return, root of minus 3 can return minus 1 into 3. Here minus 1, here root. Root of minus 1 value is what? I root 3. Suppose root of minus 5 can return, I will write I root 5. Root of minus 7, write I root 7. Understood? Root of minus 4 written in the form of I as it is, root 4 value is 2. This can return 2i. Some values is there, that is. Therefore the roots are, first one value is what? 1. Second one, here two values, one positive, one negative, minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Another one value, minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Any doubt? Here cube roots, 1, 2, 3, 3 roots. Degree 3 is there, 3 roots. Here if you take minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 values, plus or minus form. Understood? One positive, one negative. Here, do you know that 180 degree, this is a 180 degree, this symbol can return pi. This symbol can return pi, 1 value. Here, this is positive, this is negative. This is a denoting symbol, that is this value here. This is one symbol, this is another one symbol. This is omega, this is omega square. Omega square. Understood? This is symbol for omega. This not W. Keep in your mind, not W. This is a symbol for this value. Omega value is what? Minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Omega square value is what? Minus 1 minus I root 3 2 by 2. Same pi value is what? 180 degree. Pi is a symbol. Here minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Symbol is what? Omega. Minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Symbol is what? Omega square. Only symbol. Next, for suppose here a CT point, 1 plus omega square. Suppose asking sum of cube roots. This value is there. Here 1 as it is 1. Here omega, this is what? Omega and omega square. Omega value is what? Keep in your mind, this is fixed. Omega value is what? Minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Plus omega square value is what? Minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 omega square value. This is omega value, this is omega square value. Next, apply LCM. LCM is what? 2. Here LCM is 2. 2 plus minus minus 1 plus I root 3. Next plus minus minus plus minus minus I root. Negative positive. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, get cancel. Value is what? 0. Sum of cube roots. This is the CT point. Suppose here same in the form of product. CT point, that is some product 1 into omega square. Value is what? 1 is 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 into minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Omega square into 1. This is simplified, that is denominator 2 into 2, 4. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B is what? A square minus B square. LCM is 4. Negative square always positive. I square value minus 1. Minus minus plus, because I square value minus. Square and root cancel. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 4, 1. Yes. 1 into omega square. Value is what? Omega cube. Same base. Power should be added. Product is 1. Sum is 0. Next, solve the following quadratic equation by using formula only, that is example number 1. Solve that is quadratic equation x square plus 3 is equal to 0. Solve. X square plus 3 is equal to 0. Solve. Solution. Let x square plus 3 is equal to 0 is there. That is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this place, a is what? 1, b is what? 0, c is what? 3. We know that if it is apply the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. B square minus 4ac divided by 2. This is apply the formula. B value is what? B value is 0. Here 0. Plus or minus square root of b square 0 minus 4. A is what? Here A is what? No A. A is what? 1. Yes. Into 1. C value is what? 3 divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to 0 is 0. Here root 4 into 3 is what? 12. Which 12? Minus 12 divided by 2. Clear? That is, here this can be expressed in the form of what? Here negative. Negative means this can be expressed outside. Negative if outside I. Plus or minus is there. Plus or minus. If negative outside I. 12 can return 4 into 3 divided by 2. If plus or minus I, root 4 and root 3. Root 4 is what? 2. 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 to get cancel. X value is what? Plus or minus I root 3. Solutions, therefore, x is what? 1 is I root 3, positive I root 3. Second one, minus I root 3. These two values. Here, x square plus 3 is equal to 0. Alright, x square is equal to minus 3, plus or minus root of minus 3. Another method is there. Also, there is another method is there. Here, x square plus 3 is equal to 0, or x square is equal to minus 3. X is equal to plus or minus root of minus 3. X is equal to plus or minus root, negative take outside here values. Another form. If suppose 2 marks, If suppose 2 marks and write the formula, substitute the finding. X square plus 3 is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. If a value is what? 1. Here there is no b, 0. C value is what? 3. We know that the formula minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here b value 0 plus r minus square root of b square 0 minus 4, a is 1, c is 3. 4 3s are 12. Root of minus 12 is there. This can be expressed. Do you know that root of minus 12 can return here root of minus 1 into 12. Here root of minus 1, root of 12, separate. Root of minus 1 is what? I. Yes, root of 1 is negative outside, I. 4 into 3, root 4 is 2, 2 to get cancelled. Next example number 2. Next example number 2, solve x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution, let here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. This is non-factorizable form. If there is no factors, understood? If there is no factors, non-factorizable form by using the formula only. We know that formula x is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X, here b value substitute, b value is what? 1 minus 1 plus r minus square root of b square 1, 4ac divided by 2 into 1. That is minus 1 as it is plus r minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Here x is equal to minus 1 plus r minus 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus r minus negative outside, because root of minus 3 can return root of minus 1, root of 3. Root of minus 1 is what? I root 3, I root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, solutions are what? 1 is minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, or minus 1 minus I root 3. These two value calling omega and omega square. Example number 2. Here x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is non-factorizable form. If there is no factors, not express x minus a, x minus b. If there is no factors, then apply formula method. Formula is what? Minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a value is what? 1. B value is what? 1. C value is what? 1. Substitute a value, b value, c value. B is what? 1. B is what? 1. A is what? 1. C is what? 1. Minus 1 plus r minus square root of 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3. If you negative take outside, negative becomes I. Root of minus I. Root AB can express. Do you know that the formula for root AB can express root A, root B. Yes, root A minus 1, root of minus 1, root of 3 can express root A, root B, root AB. Clear? Express. And the solution. Solve 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation non-factorizable form. This is in the form of what? Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is what? 2, b is 1, c value is what? 1. We know that non-factorizable form formula is what? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute a value, b value and c value. That is, b value is what? 1. Minus 1 as it is, plus or minus square root of b square is what? 1 square. Minus 4 is what? 2. C is what? 1 divided by 2 as it is. A value is what? 2. Here is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of, that is here 1, 4 2s are 8. 1 square is 1, 4 2s are 8. 2 into 2 is what? 4. Is equal to, that is minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 is what? Minus 7 divided by 4. Here this can be expressed, root AB can written in the form of what? Root A into root B. It is root of minus 7 can written root of minus 1 into 7 is there. This can be written root of minus 1, root of 7. Root of minus 1 is what? I root 7. Here root negative value is what? I root 7 as it is divided by 4. Here this is one positive value is there, one negative value is there. Therefore x is equal to, for the roots, minus 1 plus I root 7 divided by 4, one value. Another value minus 1 minus I root 7 divided by 4. These two values. If degree is 2, two values. Here 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 is there. Non-factorizable form. If it is not factorized, does not exist the factors, by apply the formula. Which formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. A value, b value, c value, substitute. And keep in your mind, this is very important point is there, square root of 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 is what? Minus 7. Root of minus 7, negative take outside. Negative is outside, becomes I. Root of minus 1 value is what? I. That is I root 7. Here one value positive, one value negative. Write the two values is in the form of x. For here example 3 is over. In example number 4, I will continue to the next class. Okay, thank you.